Hello guys, welcome to my programming class. My name is Melbay Guy and I'm exhausted. All right, so in the previous lesson, we learned about how to take input from a user and store it in a variable or store it in a memory or in the memory we collected from the computer. In this session, we are going to learn how to display whatever we've stored in the memory to a user. Get it? So actually, we're gonna make a user enter something, and we are gonna take that data and store it in our memory, and we are going to display the contents of the memory to the same user. Okay, so let's begin. So let's say we want to take input. We want to take what do we want to take? What is let's do what is your name? Come on. Who are we kidding here? So let's declare our variable A. And we want to take take the name of the user and store it inside variable A. So if you went through the previous session, you understand this. You get it. So what is your name? What is your name? So when we run this statement or give this statement to the computer, we are gonna have the computer asking the user or the software asking the user, what is your name? And the user will be able to enter data because of the prompt statement. And whatever the user enters will be stored in the memory A, the variable A. So let's see. So what's your name? Veronica. Veronica. So let's see what is inside A. Let's read the memory A, or let's check the contents of A now. So we have Veronica inside the memory A. So this time we don't want to see it here. We want to display it, whatever is inside the memory A above. So after the user enters the data, the user can see whatever he or she entered. So we just have to we need to bring back the statement, a statement that we've been using for a while. And this statement is known as alert, the alert statement. The alert statement is used to display information to a user. The user, the one interacting with your software or your product, any information you want to display to the user, you can use the alert statement or alert instruction or command. So let's press enter and see how it works. Okay, so yeah, it worked, but we didn't pass in any information to a user, so it's empty here. So let's try and pass an information to the user by bringing the double quote and just put in text inside the double quote, hello user. Let's check it again. And this time we have it, hello user. We have it here. So in this session, we just want to be able to show whatever is inside a particular memory here. We need to pop it up here. So we just have to say, okay, so we have a memory A and we have Veronica inside. So to print Veronica, to display Veronica using the alert, we could just say ALERT. And what's the name of the memory? The name of the memory is A. So when we put A here, let's press enter and see what will happen. What will happen? Let's see what will happen. So when we do this, you can see A is being displayed here. But we didn't want, this is not our goal. Our goal, we don't want to display A. We want to display the content of A. A is a memory that we've collected from the computer or a variable we've declared. And through these statements, some data was collected and stored inside A, and the data is Veronica. So anytime we check inside A, we see Veronica. So we want to print the content inside the memory A above somewhere here using the alert. So if we write an alert statement and we put double quotes on this guy on the A itself will be displayed here. But to display the content inside the memory A, we need to get rid of the double quotes so that we have alert bracket open A bracket close and this guy. So when we press enter, you see now it's displaying what? Veronica. So Veronica, sorry. Veronica is the data inside the memory A, and we are displaying it. Okay, so what I said we want to do today is we want to take let me clear the screen. We want to take data. So we want to take data from a user, store it in A, and in a second statement, we want to display the content of A. So here we're gonna take data from a user and store it inside A, and we are going to display whatever the user type or the data stored inside A to the user again. So we have one statement here, we have another statement. One statement taking data and storing inside A, and another statement displaying the contents of A. So let's see. So what is your name? I'm going to type Melbay Guy. Melbay Guy. So when I press OK, see what will happen. Melbay Guy has been displayed next. You get it? So let's run the program again and see. So what is your name, Tim? When I press OK, see Tim has been displayed here. So you see we had two pop-ups. One pop-up is for this statement, and the second pop-up is for this statement. So let me delete the second statement and see we are gonna have just one pop-up. Let's say Tim, and it's gone. Yeah, so we need to add another statement because we want to display two pop-ups. So what is your name? My name is Melby Guy. And you realize that Melby Guy has been printed here. So that's it for this session. This session is not much. In the next session, we'll be looking at expressions. You remember, as part of the elements that makes up a program, we have statements, we've discussed it, we have variables, we've talked so much about variables. Now we want to focus on expressions in the next session. So I hope you would come back to, enjoy the session. So see you guys later. I love you guys.